I haven't seen a single video on the internet for this exact particular tutorial. So, you know you want to replace your fog lights if they look like this, or if they just fall out after a while. The fog light is held in by this wiring right here and two T40 Torx bits. This is your adjustment screw here. In order to adjust them, you loosen this and then move the light itself to wherever you want it and then tighten it back up. It's not like a standard headlight adjusting screw. This is my brand new one. I've only bought one because they're actually pretty expensive for what you get. I'm going to be replacing the one on the passenger side. As you can see, here's our two mounting bolts and our adjustment screw. All of those are T40. Ideally, they should be replaced in pairs, but I don't really ever use them at all. So, in order to get it out, you can stick a ratchet up here. And if you're not drunk, you can get it in the screw and crank those loose. I would douse them in penetrating fluid first if you live in Wisconsin. Otherwise, this is a tutorial on how to break your T40 Torx bit. About 10 minutes ago, I sprayed them with penetrating fluid, so hopefully that... Come on, I know this is possible. I did it earlier. There we go. I'm going to try to break these free with one hand. I doubt it's going to happen. No, I need two hands. Well, I broke my T40 Torx bit. So anyway, assuming you live anywhere else in the country where rust doesn't exist, once you get these two bolts out, you can go ahead and put the new fog light in there so that the bracket lines up with them. I got snow all over it. They make one for, they make a separate part for the driver and passenger side. The only thing that's different is this little bracket. So then you can plug in the wire, hear it click, and then test it out. So in order to use the fog lights, you have to have at least the parking lights on. And then you press this nice little button right here. And it doesn't even work. So since it didn't work, I'm going to unplug this and very carefully and precisely spray some dielectric grease in there. Just need a tiny little bit, not even longer than 1 second. This has been unplugged for a while. The old one fell out quite some time ago. So there might have been, you know, contaminants and stuff in there, so I'm gonna try this again. And with enough work. Well, as they say, duct tape fixes everything. I don't know how long this is going to last. Probably won't even make it out of the driveway. But now you know how to replace fog lights on a 2001 Jeep Cherokee. I spent more effort making the new intro than I did for the rest of this video. So, update. I didn't even get more than about 30 feet before it fell out. But it is certainly a lot brighter than that other fog light. So, eventually, when it warms up, I'm probably going to replace them both properly, but for now I'm just going to take this one out so it doesn't break.